Hi friends, welcome to the Skillshare class on miniature gouache paintings. Gouache is a medium which acts as a bridge between acrylic and watercolor. The consistency and the vibrancy of the colors are so exciting to work with. Today in this class, we are going to try some miniature gouache paintings which you can try using it as a thank you card, business card or any wishes card, or simply you can gift it to somebody. So if you don't have gouache paint, feel free to use poster colors or watercolor. I'm Aparna, watercolor gouache paint artist. Let's start painting. Let's see the materials which we are going to use in this project. I'm using Canson 300 GSM A5 watercolor paper, pencils, eraser and scale scissors. I'm using Brustro Fineliners which has different line weight pens. So mostly I'll be using 0.5 or 0.8. Then I have white and golden ink liners too. I'm using Brustro Artist Gouache colors. As I said earlier, you can use poster colors or watercolors in case you don't have gouache colors. Then you need water, brushes and palette for painting. Before we get into painting, let's make the miniature card for the painting. I'm dividing one A5 sheet into 6 parts, so the size of my one card will be around 7 to 7.5 cm. I'm taking 2 A5 sheets and cutting it into 6 pieces each. So we are going to make 12 miniature gouache paintings out of 2 A5 sheets. Let's start painting the background using gouache colors. We need paint, water, palettes and brushes for this session. Let's take out each piece of paper and paint it. You can choose the colors you like or you can use the exact colors which I am using here. So there are two options. Either you can paint the card with just one color or you can choose two colors of your choice and paint it in one card. I'm not filling the entire paper with colors. I'm leaving a little white space as a border on all the 4 sides. I have not drawn any border line for that. Randomly, I am just leaving a small white space around the painting. I am giving an opaque layer in the card. So in case if you are using watercolors, you may have to go for 2 coats to get this. Let's move on to the final part of our miniature gouache painting. Now we have our 12 cards with background color painted and properly dried. So we are going to use black or white fine liners on top of it to complete our project. I have not used golden ink in this project, even though I have shown that here. Next step is adding some miniature sketches or doodles to our cards. For this blue background, let's add some fishes. I'm using white fine liners here. You can add some messages too. I'm writing all the best, or you can write any quotes here, like go with the flow or something which matches with our painting's theme, whatever you like. I'm creating a tropical vibe in this sap green background by drawing some plantains. You have to make sure your paint is properly dried up before you start with the fine liners. Similarly, I have drawn images on each of the sheets to match with the background color. These line drawings are very basic and easy to create, so you're totally free to experiment with your creativity. In this illustration, I am using white lines along with the black to show the ripples in the water. Let's continue drawing. Here is a card where I am just using white lines. Here comes our card with two different colors. I am imagining the background as a sunset scene and I am drawing some wild grass using black liners. Let's create a pine tree landscape in this background. I think this background color is suitable for a snowy night scene. So that's all. We have created 12 miniature gouache paintings. Feel free to experiment with the colors and the drawings. Eagerly waiting for your project pictures. Thank you.